Yes, Srinivasrao. Suresh Reddy garu.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yeah, you can start.
Yeah, we'll start.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Revati,
Sir, sir.
you start it.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all the participants. I welcome all the participants to this valedictory session of AICT sponsored short-term training program on machine learning and deep learning techniques for artificial intelligence problems using Python, Series 2. It's my pleasure to have in this valedictory session Dr. B. Channakeshwar sir, a Director Advancement, VNR VJIT, and Dr. G. Suresh Reddy sir, Head of the Department IT, and Coordinator Dr. D. Srinivas Rao garu to this valedictory session. Now, it is my pleasure to invite. It's my pleasure to invite Dr. B. Channakeshwar sir to address the gathering with his words. Sir.
Yeah, I think the first let Srinivasrao speak, madam, about
Yeah, sir. About the
how it
yes.
happened. Actually, then I'll speak.
Yeah. Okay,
So,
sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay.
I would like to invite Dr. D. Srinivas Rao garu, Associate Professor, IT Department, VNR VJIT, and Coordinator of this STTP, to share his views and to share about how this STTP happened during these 6 days and give a brief about this STTP. Over to you, Srinu, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. Uh, First of all, I should thankful to the AICTE for sponsoring the grant to conduct the short-term training program for 2 series on advanced technologies like machine learning and deep learning for implementation of real-time problem-solving processes. Series 1 conducted during November 16 to 21st, and Series 2 is scheduled between 14th December to 19th December. That is the last day today. Uh, for giving the opportunity, I should be grateful to the AICTE, and as well as I should thankful to the VNR VJIT management from the beginning. Principal Sir Dr. C.D. Naidu Garu, Director for Advancement Dr. B. Channakeshwar Garu, R&D Director Subhanand Rao Garu, for guiding us and supporting us in all the aspects to learn in advance and delivering or disseminating to the required knowledge to the students whenever the context is demanding, appear to the rest of the people and rest of the organizations, and learning the things as in a better possible way with the quotation of prepare to explore before nowhere, and we did the same and doing the same to improve our ranking and professionalism in engineering domain. And I should get grateful to our HOD sir, Dr. G. Suresh Reddy sir, for leading us and guiding in the proper way to do the things in the precise manner. While talking about this particular Series 2 session, we have received registrations from 465 participants across India, and we have prepared the schedule to conduct this particular event to give the best insights to the required engineering faculty, and some participants are also there from research scholars, and even some engineering and MTech students also joined for and registered for the same event. We gave the opportunity to participate in this particular HTTP session through 2 channels. 100 is limited with the Google Meet, and second channel is open for YouTube streaming. And we try to give the best of these things by giving the scope of the research in the each and every session or the content related to the HTTP schedule. Started with the inaugural session on the Monday 14th 12th 2020, followed by the session that needs to differentiate and associating the previous series and the current series with the machine learning and deep learning correlation, and giving the differentiation, and giving the importance of the deep learning where the machine learning may fails. Given by Dr. D. Srinivasrao, VNR-VJIT. In the afternoon session, the title session is Insights of Neural Networks with the Practical Implementation from Industry Person M. Ramesh, TCS Hyderabad, delivered on the talk of importance of neural networks, which is the prerequisite to go on with the deep learning approaches. On second day, that is Tuesday, 15/12/2020, the talk session is delivered by Dr. C.H. Ramalingaswamy from NIT Warangal on the exploring CNN for real-time practices, delivered the talk on importance of CNN and implementation of CNN for problem-solving process. In the second session, the talk given by Dr. N.P. Kavya, RNSIT Bangalore, delivered the talk on essentials of deep learning and mapping the deep learning approaches to the specialized areas where the computer science and other engineering faculty can explore the research in the application development process. In the afternoon session, titled Deep Learning for Face Recognition, the practical session delivered by Dr. Mukesh Kumar from NIT Patna. On the third day of this STTP, that's Wednesday, dated 16/12/2020, in which the session titled Natural Language Processing Using Deep Learning Approach, the talk delivered by Dr. Chetan H.K., University of Mysore Special Officer and Professor in the MJRIT Bangalore. Delivered the talk on importance of natural language processing, which is the prerequisite for great many applications of sentiment analysis, recommendation system, and commercial applications. Followed by the session titled Deep Learning for Speech Processing, delivered by Dr. R. Rajeshwar Rao, Professor, Computer Science Department, JNTU College of Engineering affiliated, University College of Engineering, Vijayanagaram. It delivered the talk on speech processing and speech recognition with the importance of deep learning approaches. In the afternoon, the talk titled Plant Disease Identification Using Convolution Neural Networks, the practical approach, delivered by Dr. Jaganmohan Reddy from LBRC Mailavaram, delivered the talk on the different deep learning algorithms, especially the CNN for image classification and RNN for continuous data elaboration and implementation of the RNN for the prediction with the continuous data. On the fourth day of the STTP, the Thursday 17/12/2020, the session titled Deep Learning for Video Processing, which is the broader area having the large scope to continue the research and even start from the beginners. The excellent talk given by Dr. V. Santosh Kumar from Malawiya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur, Rajasthan. They delivered the talk on change detection process, which is the most important concept to identify the changes are happening in the physical locations and other activities which is required to identify the difference happening in the aspects of computer science and computer vision applications. Followed by the session titled Capsule Networks, a new deep learning approach with the practical implementation by Dr. G. Madhu, Associate Professor in the Department of IT, VNR-VJIT, explored the importance of capsule network in the disease identification on which he is working, the malaria paralysis detection using the advancements of deep learning approach. Followed by, we have conducted question answering session and panel discussion to share the views of participants and giving the insights to the participants, in which we have gathered the speakers brought from industry as well as academia. The speakers M. Ramesh from TCS Hyderabad and one more speaker D. Shivakumar from TCS working on automation process, and the academician which we got from the other academic institution, working as associate professor and working on the project titled Deep Learning Approach for the Disease Identification. And we have conducted the same and tried to give and clarifying the doubts raised by the participants, and we have supplied the sufficient stuff in terms of data sets required, URLs required, and we succeed to give the better inputs to the participants based on the queries raised by them in the same panel discussion session. On the fifth day, that is Friday, dated 18/12/2020, the talk titled Recommendation System, the practical session given by Professor Vidyut Kumar Patra from NIT Roorkela, that delivered a session on the importance of deep learning for recommending the system. It is used in for sentiment analysis. Also, it can be used in great many commercial applications to decide whether should we support the goods or support the item, or we need to be opposite based on the history and the performance executed by the item. Followed by the session titled Deep Learning for Autonomous Vehicles, which is the most advanced and where the multiple engineering departments to be integrated to develop these type of applications and these type of autonomous vehicles. The talk given by Dr. Ilaya Kavaiti from NIT Warangal. In the afternoon session of the same day, the session delivered by Dr. S. Nagesh Bhattu from National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. The session titled Deep Learning for Sentiment Analysis. That is the given the importance of named entity relationship and mapping the relationship with the item required, which is used for giving the taglines to the audio, tagline to the video, and importing the importance of NLP fundamentals to develop the NLP related applications. On the last day, that is today, dated 19/12/2020, the talk titled Deep Generative